Sawubona Mzansi. Thank you so much for participating in the poll yesterday. I really appreciate your feedback and your honesty. So let's check out what the poll results are. As you can see, once again, 80% of the people of Mzansi like the newer buttons. I fully agree with that, and I also like the new buttons. And if you haven't noticed yet, we are focusing our efforts on the UI and UX redesign of MIH. But it's a slow progress. We're improving things here and there. But if you want to give me more feedback and more of your suggestions, rather than just submitting on a poll yes or no, please feel free to join our lives. We are live Monday to Thursday, so today we won't be live, but we'll continue going live on Monday. This is something me and the people of Mzansi were working on last night in the live, so we're just redesigning the search bar and seeing where's the best position for it. So please, if you have any great ideas, please feel free to join us in the lives and we can work on it together. Once again, thank you so much for your participation and let's keep working hard, Mzansi.